Good morning, everybody. Today is the 22nd of April, 2026. I just want to do a shout out to my wife, Maria Silva. Today's her birthday. Everybody say happy birthday in the comments. Happy birthday to Maria Silva. It's my wife. Hey, today just because of her birthday, I'm going to give you a special here on this home. It's under $100,000, under $100,000, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's called the Llano. Our model number is the Llano, and I will show you around. Just remember, happy birthday in the comments. I would appreciate it for my wife, and I believe she's turning. Sorry about that. That was the train that's passing by. Anyway, I think he was honking, saying happy birthday also. And just don't forget, comment below for happy birthday to Maria Silva. She goes by Alejandra. All right, here we go. We go inside. Look at this. Beautiful home. Beautiful home. Nice big area here for your living room. Look at the kitchen. Plenty of room in the kitchen. And a dining room. A dining area where you fit a nice table. You can also come over here. And you have an area for your washer and dryer. All the appliances that you see here, the refrigerator, the stove, the dishwasher, that all comes included. All included. All right. The first area that we pass by actually is a room. We have a room here. This is the first room. Closet. Here's the bathroom to the 2 bedrooms. Good size closet. Here's the master bedroom. Pretty good size. Pretty good size master bedroom. All right. Bathtub. Shower. You have your nice sink. Look at this whole room here for putting stuff away with the clothes. Walk-in closet, beautiful. Okay, so I wanted to say that this home here is at $99,500. All right, it has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's a beautiful home. There's a lot to be said on this home here. We can. Since today's my wife's birthday, I'm going to talk to the boss and see if we can get it down $5,000 from the price. So we're looking at about $94,500 when you come over. If you end up having to, if you do a deposit today, on the first day, if you do a deposit and do a credit application, we're going to give you a carport once you purchase the whole home. Okay, when you purchase the whole home, we'll give you a carport that has storage area. It's a nice, strong carport. That's with a deposit and a credit application on your first visit. So come on down, come and see me, JesusAdiel, at the Klein Home Splendora. Okay. And I'll put some information at the end. That way you guys can check me out. Okay. Don't forget, it's her birthday today. Okay. So make sure you make comments in there and say happy birthday. Say something that would be really, really appreciated. Thank you very much.